Here we are once again, another little staff, Staffman, little thumbstick. Made this for an 11-year-old boy, his name's Cameron. Various carvings on it, there's squirrel, a moorhen, a horse, a swan, a tractor, and a pig. He likes pigs. I'll put a pig on this one. He doesn't know it's been made yet. Britain on the side there. May 2013. There's my little emblem which I carve into all my staffs. The Staffman. Little rabbit running there. A duck. Bird of prey. Little lamb there. Bull's head. You know, all the nice little stuff. Also incorporate a whistle in the top. I'll blow it for you now. Very nice.